Hi there, Keith Renenson with Life Hacks for Seniors with Keith. And I'm back with you today to try and help you prepare for going skiing for maybe the first time in a long time, because clothing has changed a lot. A lot of things now that are a lot thinner than they used to be. Don't have to wear bulky sweaters or a lot of undergarments to be able to stay warm. I've got on a regular jersey that is fleece lined, and underneath I have a pair of thermal underwear, both top and bottom. And then I have ski pants on, and my ski pants, I like to get the kind where I can put a belt on them. There are types that you can wear suspenders with, but they feel more uncomfortable and I feel more restricted when I'm skiing in them. So after I get all of this on, also socks. Don't wear really thick wool socks. There's what's known as smart wool, and you can get socks in nice thin layers that will keep your feet from sweating during the daytime. Next, of course, I've got my jacket. And I've got a cool kind of attachment on my jacket right here. For those of you that like to look at your phone when you're on a lift, you can attach this to your phone, put it in your pocket. That way when you take it out, you can't drop it and lose it, because sometimes we do just that. So anyway, that's a nice little attachment to have. And I've also got a little flexible water bottle that I put in the inside pocket. You just bite on this and you can get water out of it during the day if you get thirsty. It's always handy because we don't want to always have to stop and go in the lodge to be able to get something to drink. Of course, after that, then I've got to put on my gaiter. I wear one of these because I really like to have my head warm when I ski, since I'm bald, and it keeps your ears warm as well. Of course, after that comes your helmet. I just bought this one last year. It's MIPS certified, M-I-P-S, which means that it's certified for good protection for your brain. And then last, of course, you've got to put your goggles on. And they fit like that. And all that's left is your gloves and your ski boots. I also do all of this utilizing a backpack. This is my ski boots are inside here, and I put all of the rest of this inside my backpack so that I can put this on and carry all of it to the ski slope instead of having. A lot of people will throw their boots over their shoulder, or they'll wear their boots. This is a lot more comfortable when you can wear street shoes to the lift and you're all set. So I think that's about it. I hope you've enjoyed this and gotten some good information. Leave a comment below as to the kind of clothing you wear and whether you like to have thermal or other kinds of layers that are on. Would love to hear from you and see what you like. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. This is Keith with Life Hacks for Seniors with Keith. See you next time.